Look at those sexy curves right there and shapes. Everything is molded, curved, rounded, smoothed, and ooh, look at that. Oh, yeah, that's what I like right there. Now it sits down on the little feet right here. It's got little feet right here. Got another pad right here. It tucks underneath the back seat right here. And there's what that console slash speaker box looks like. Let's see what it looks like with a lid on it. This is our complicated lid. And got a little bit more work to do on this thing. But you can kind of get a general idea what this thing's going to look like. Something like that. Bam! Smooth, rounded, flowing, functional. That's what I'm talking about. How about that? On. Don't forget to like this video. Click like, throw me a comment, let me know what you think. Ring the bell for those notifications when we get a new video. We got lots more coming up, guys. A lot of cool stuff coming up. I hope you guys are enjoying the ride.